Think about how many times a day you reach for a glass of water. Now think about how annoying it is when getting that water feels like a hassle. Whether you're setting up a home office, upgrading your kitchen, or just want clean, cold, or hot water on demand without the constant trips to the store for bottles, a good water dispenser just makes life simpler. But with so many styles and features out there, picking the right one takes a little know-how. So we did the digging for you. Here are the 8 best water dispensers for homes and offices. Let's take a look at the water dispensers that are getting the most attention this year. You'll find links to the best prices in the description below. Also, these water dispensers aren't ranked in any specific order, so make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss the right one for you. Number 8 is the MyVision water bottle pump. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list. This water bottle pump is simple, portable, and surprisingly capable. In fact, a plug-and-play solution for getting water from a 3 to 5 gallon jug without any hassle. Just snap it onto the bottle's mouth. It fits any standard 2.16-inch neck. Press the button, and it starts pumping. That's it. You don't need any setup or tools. Even kids and older folks can figure it out in seconds. And the speed is solid too. It pumps 1.5 liters in about 60 seconds, then automatically shuts off. It's also auto-stop, which is a nice touch, so you're not babysitting it. The battery is a 1,200 mAh rechargeable unit, and it'll last you through around 4 to 6 full 5-gallon jugs on a single charge. And you're not going to constantly plug it in. Just charge it up with the included USB cable and you're good for weeks. And here's what Elena said. It runs quietly and works well without any issues. It automatically stops after a certain amount of time, which helps prevent spills. The faucet angle is convenient, allowing you to place a pot or kettle next to the bottle and fill it without having to hold it. So far, I'm very satisfied. 5 stars. It's also made from BPA-free, food-grade materials, silicone hose, stainless steel, and ABS plastic, so nothing sketchy is going into your water. Plus, it backs a 2-year replacement warranty. So if you want a water dispenser that's easy on the wallet and works anywhere, home, office, or camping, the MyVision water bottle pump is hard to beat. Number 7 is the Primo stainless steel water cooler dispenser. This is the best design on our list. The first thing you notice is how sharp it looks. The stainless steel finish blends right in with most kitchen setups. And the bottom-loading design keeps the water jug hidden behind a door. And it's not just looks. You're gonna have 3 temperatures from a single spout: cold, room temp, and hot. The hot water has a slide then press safety lock built in, so kids can't accidentally trigger it. Loading is easy too. Open the bottom door, connect the hose to the jug, close it, and you're done. A little sensor kicks it on automatically. The drip tray pops right off when it needs cleaning. Just rinse and snap it back. Here's what Jonathan wrote. I purchased this product for my parents who are older and have shoulder issues. They have been easily able to load and unload the water cooler along with easily managing setup, cleaning everything, exponentially better than the top loaders. Also, my mom likes the fact that you can set a small item on top of it. Noise-wise, it runs quietly enough to sit near a bedroom without being a problem. So if you want a water cooler that actually looks good in your home and keeps things simple, the Primo Deluxe is hard to overlook. Number 6 is the Brio 500 series bottom load water cooler. This is the best self-cleaning option on our list. This one keeps your water clean without lifting a finger. Most water coolers need you to scrub and sanitize the inside every few weeks. This one handles that on its own. Just press a button and the UV self-cleaning feature takes over. It clears out bacteria and buildup from the inside. That's a big deal if you're not the type to remember maintenance. The bottom loading design is another plus. The jug sits in a hidden cabinet at the bottom. Just slide it in, connect it, and you're done. Plus, there's a nightlight built in, which makes late night pours way easier without blinding yourself in a dark kitchen. It's also Energy Star certified, so it's not quietly running up your electric bill in the background. So, if you want a water cooler that practically takes care of itself, the Brio 500 is the one to get. Number 5 is the Avalon A8 Bottleless water cooler dispenser. This is the best for home use on our list. This one connects straight to your home's water line and keeps going. That's the core idea here. Instead of swapping out heavy 5-gallon jugs every week, this water cooler pulls directly from your existing water supply and filters it on the way through. You're gonna have clean water on demand without the ongoing cost of buying bottles. And the filtration is solid. It runs through 2 filters, a sediment filter and a carbon block filter. Together, they remove dirt, heavy metals, chlorine, and anything that makes tap water taste off. Each set lasts about 6 months or 1,500 gallons. There's even a built-in light that tells you when it's time to swap them out. The setup comes with everything you need: tubing, adapters, a shutoff valve, and clear instructions. You're also going to have hot and cold water spouts, a child safety lock on the hot side, a nightlight, and a self-cleaning feature to keep the inside sanitized. So if you want clean filtered water at home without constant bottle replacements, the Avalon A8 makes a strong case for itself. And if you want to know the latest prices for the water dispensers discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 4 is the Avalon A5 Self-Cleaning Water Dispenser. This is the best bottleless pick on our list. With this one around, you don't have to buy a water jug again. It hooks directly into your home's water line, filters everything coming through, and dispenses it on demand. You don't have to store bottles or pay high recurring costs just to stay hydrated. Now, the filtration runs through 2 stages: a sediment filter first, then a carbon block filter. Together, they pull out dirt, chlorine, heavy metals, and anything else that makes your tap water taste like tap water. Each set lasts about 6 months or 1,500 gallons, and there's an indicator light that tells you when it's time to replace them. You're going to have 3 temperatures: cold, room temp, and hot. The hot spout has a child safety lock. Plus, you're also going to have a night light like other options on our list. Also, the self-cleaning feature sanitizes the inside automatically, which keeps things clean without you having to think about it. The setup comes with everything: tubing, adapters, a shutoff valve, and illustrated instructions. It's also made with a stainless steel cabinet, so it holds up well over time. So if you're done with water bottles for good, the Avalon A5 is the move. Number 3 is the Frigidaire EF-WC-519 Water Cooler Dispenser. This is the best for the office on our list. This water cooler is reliable, quiet, and able to handle daily use. It's a top-loading dispenser that works with both 3 and 5 gallon bottles, so you're not locked into one size. Now, the stainless steel tank is a practical choice too. It handles the constant heating and cooling without overheating. It's built to last through heavy daily use. LED indicator lights show you the power, heating, and cooling status at a glance. And as for the noise, it runs quietly, which matters a lot when it's sitting in a shared space. And the adjustable leveling legs keep it stable on uneven floors, which office spaces seem to have more than you'd expect. Plus, the removable drip tray makes cleanup easy, and the overall design is clean enough to fit in without looking out of place. So if you need a dependable water cooler that works day after day in a busy office, the Frigidaire EF-WC-519 is worth a serious look. Number 2 is the Avalon A1 Water Cooler Dispenser. This is the best value unit on our list. It's a top-loading dispenser, which means the bottle sits on top and you can actually see how much water is left at a glance. That's useful, especially in an office where nobody wants to be the person who used the last drop and didn't say anything. Now, you're going to have hot and cold water from 2 separate spouts. The hot side has a child safety lock, so little ones can't accidentally trigger it. Plus, the design is slim enough to fit in a corner without taking over the room, which is a bigger deal than it sounds when space is tight. Also, it fits both 3 and 5 gallon bottles, it's UL listed for safety, and doesn't come loaded with features you'll never use, which is exactly why it lands as the best value pick. So if you want a water cooler that covers the basics really well without spending more than you need to, the Avalon A1 is an easy choice. Number 1 is the Avalon A4 Water Cooler Dispenser. This is the best overall on our list. This one's a bottom-loading dispenser, so the jug sits in a hidden cabinet at the bottom, and you don't have to lift a heavy bottle over your head. Just slide it in, and you're done. Plus, it works with both 3 and 5 gallon bottles. You're gonna have 3 water temperatures: cold, room temp, and hot. The compressor keeps the cold water very cold without needing ice, and the hot side gets hot enough for tea, coffee, or anything else that needs real heat. The hot spout also has a child safety lock, so that's covered. Then there's a built-in nightlight for late night use, and an empty bottle indicator that lights up when it's time to swap the jug out. Also, the stainless steel cabinet looks clean and holds up well, and it's both UL listed and Energy Star certified, which means it's been tested for safety and won't quietly spike your electricity bill. So if you want one water cooler that does everything right, the Avalon A4 is the one to get. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect water dispenser. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each water dispenser. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.